Hello, this is James at Proinkshop.com. Today is August 28th, and I do have a printer here from the customer, local customer. It's been used for business around 8 years. They want me to do the maintenance of this printer. And when I have this printer, there was no ink cartridge, so I put my cartridge in. Let's see how it prints. Okay, it looks like it's a problem on the blue color, the cyan, and the yellow looks like little contaminate by blue color, I think. It's not a big deal, it's easy to clean out. So I'm gonna start fix these problems. There's a lifter, there's a lever, lift it up, take them out. There you go. Okay, here is what I have ready for the customers. First, after repair this printhead, I'm gonna provide them 2 set of refilled cartridge. And customer, so I'm gonna use our product. This is the refill kit for HP 950, 952, 962. Comes with the instructions and all the tools in it, syringes, needles, and suction tips, injection tips, and some tapes that need to cover the air holes. Okay, and the ink. The 100 ml of ink each color, and 200 ml of black color. This can fill up about 5 times of a regular size black color, and this one is, let me see, it's about 5 times of regular size colors. Okay, and a pair of gloves. We use the Ink brand, Pigment ink. We've been using this ink for like almost 10 years, and then we have much problem. I'll say about 99% compatible with the HP genuine ink. So even though you've been using a genuine ink and then using our ink and then using back to genuine ink, the printer is not gonna clog. And also there's another tool. This is a cleaning kit for the printhead of HP 950s. Comes with a nozzle clip, yellow suction tips, syringe, and 200 ml of cleaning solutions, and a pair of gloves. So most HP Officejet Pro 8600, 8610, it's been discontinued about 6 or 7 years ago. So the printers start giving you problem, especially like on the printhead and some color issues, so like that. You can easily repair your printer by yourself from your home, like and then um, make your own refill cartridge with a little bit of money spending. This one we're selling for $35 for the ink refill kits, and this cleaning solution and kits selling for $20, so $55 total. These are all free shipping in the United States. You can repair your printer and use it for like another 5 to 10 years. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, first, yeah, I don't know if you can see inside of the printer or not, but as I see it, the yellow color got a little contaminated. Let's clean out the printhead. These branches you can easily get it from like a 99-cent store or Home Depot. Not that expensive. You might have in your home too. There's another board for the chipboard. We have to unplug this printhead. So let's see. First, the cylinder. It comes with the instruction also. And also we do have a video instruction available on YouTube. Attach the cylinder. You have to remove all the leftover ink in the chamber. First of all, inside of a chamber, there's the filters, like mesh filters. So you have to take out all the ink first from there. Make sure taking out the sludge doesn't go to the nozzle. Put the clip on top of the nozzle. Take off the suction tips. See, this is why you have to use your glove. I mean, I do this all day long, all day and every day, so I'm just on this. So let's take out the ink up from the nozzle. So. some people using alcohol to clean this out. Don't use alcohol. It's gonna burn your nozzle. And make a chemical reaction later with the ink. Okay. And then first of all, when you're injecting the cleaning solution into the chamber, don't push it hard. It's gonna pop up your membrane here. There's a vinyl tops on top of the chamber and membranes, and it's gonna pop up, and the ink will start leaking out. So just give a little pressure. Yellow, you gotta do 2 times because it's been contaminated by other food. If your printhead clogged badly, then you're having a hard time to pushing the syringe, which is injecting the solution into the printhead. No, it's gonna be very tough. When that happens, you have to pushing the solution slowly into the chamber and then let it sit for like a day to melting some sludges out, and try it again, but some of the bad ink, the dye-based ink, makes really bad condition. And I mean, this just solution is helping you to clean out and unclogging some of the clogged head, but it doesn't work 100% for all the printhead. It depends on the skills of users, and then it depends on the condition of a printhead. So it's really up to the printhead and then you, the consumer. If you're not sure you can fix it or not, it's better not to touch it. Just give it to the local guys, local technicians, or you can send it to me. We charge $40 for repairing your printhead, but we cannot fix the printhead failure, which is printhead not detected. That's not able to fix. Ink system fail. Some of them yes, some of them not, but mostly not. Other than that, the membrane leaking, and if the printhead keep on telling you depleted and clogged, mostly I can fix. Yeah, now, oh, let's finish this one. So there's a solution inside the chamber already. So let's take them out again. Okay. Take it out. Okay, now let's work on the chipboard. This is called a chipboard. This is the contact point of the cartridge chips. This printer has been old, like 8 years old. So there's membranes also. The vinyl covers. This start peeling up. When this peeled off, see here. When this peeled off, the printer keep on giving you a message, depleted. Even though you have full of ink, or even though you installed a new cartridge, it's gonna keep on telling you depleted. So certain colors. So even this looks not peeled off, still I recommend to change it. See, very easy to peel up, because it's been too old. So all the glue has been dried up. Actually, I'm using oh my god, oops, my son took my glue, Loctite glue. This is the tape. For the smartphone, glass repair, double-sided. If you don't have this, of course you don't have, you might don't. You can use Scotch tapes. Actually, Scotch tapes too weak. You can easily get this from the eBay. About $4 or $5, I think, below. 10 centimeters. It's 100 millimeters. No, 10 millimeters. Yes. Is it? Yeah. The width. I usually put a Loctite crazy glue around all the like edges, and put this tape on top of it. But this tape also works. It's as it is. If you don't have a problem of display message, then you don't have to do it. But telling you, it's gonna be happen sooner or later. So I'm just doing this because I'm charging the customers for maintenance this printer. So I'm doing it to preventing that happen. Now let's put the head back on. Okay, the printhead is done. Now, still fill the cartridge. Before you're refilling the cartridge, make sure you don't have any leftover ink in the cartridge. The chip part is clean. Okay. So regular size, 2 black, 2 cyan, 2 yellow, 2 magenta. Okay. What's the black? I recommend you to using a long needle because I got used on this, so I'm just taking out the ink straight out from the bottle. Regular size, there's an ink hose and blade hose. I mean the air hose, ink hole, air hole, blade hose. The blade is like there's a vinyl bags inside of the cartridge that controls the air pressure. So you gotta cover this up with the finger, or it comes with a tape. So this tape, peel up the tape, it's double side tape, peel them up and put it on, and put the ink in. Regular size fills up about 38 milliliters or 40. So this cylinder is 20 milliliters, so I gotta do one more time. Usually when I do mass quantity refilling, I use a big one. But this, I'm trying to show you doing all this with our ready-made product. Okay. After you put all the ink in, it's gonna push out the syringe because when the ink goes in, air comes out. So make sure pull the syringe up and take out all the ink, the airs out. Otherwise, when you pull the syringe out, then you're gonna have ink spraying out on your face. So like this, taken out. Color color done. One more. Collect on. And it's the colors. Magenta. It's a big needle. Regular size, the arrows here, but the extra large arrows here. So with this, and you gotta cover this one. So you gotta seal both of them. 1, and 2. Yellow. Excuse me. Oh. Sign. I'm used to on this. I made a lot of little quality, so I'm used to on this. Just I don't use these tapes. Just use my finger to cover up the holes. These refill keyholes come with the instruction of 950s and 952s, 932s, and 962. Actually, I haven't made any 962, but I'm gonna make it soon. Maybe today or tomorrow. Anyway, okay, there's an important last step still have left. The most of a common practice question is must release air, excess air from the blade hole, blade bag, and the ink bag. So what you gotta do after you fill up the ink cartridges, use a syringe, put it back in, and pull out some ink or air. So this one make this, I mean this procedure with this you can remove the excess air from the blade bag and the air bag and the ink pad, so you don't get like an ink mixed up problem. If you don't remove these airs, you're gonna have a hard pressure, strong pressure in the cartridge, and then it's gonna spray the ink out into the chambers, and you get ink mixed up. The last step is the we gotta check the ink leakage. Okay. So there's an ink holes with a needle, blunt needle. Just push down the hole. There's a little plastic ball in the rubber, that ink hole, and there's a spring. So just push down a little bit and release it. Make sure no ink leaking out. Clean out a little bit if there's an ink leaked out. That's it. Yellow, cyan. Black, yellow, cyan, magenta. Black, yellow, cyan, magenta. Now let's put this back into the printer. problem. Now it says empty cartridge installed. It's showing HP. The original HP ink in the listed cartridge has been deleted. Should only use the cartridge if you believe to contain ink. Yes, it's got full of ink, so press OK and it's gonna start preparing the printer. After cartridge install, I have to run like a couple times of printer cleaning. So I don't know if you can hear this pumping sound. This pumping sound is supposed to be clear, but if you hear like a pumping sound, like you know, air sound, more like air sound, you know, push, push like this, and then that means your chipboard membrane is leaking. The air is leaking, so you gotta check that the chipboard. You're getting like a counterfeit or used message, because this is a used cartridge, so you have no problem. Okay, now printer is ready. Let's see, may need to run more printer cleaning, but let's see how it prints. Oops, no paper. As you see, the color looks beautiful, and okay, now the printer is ready. It's ready to use. So I'm gonna give it back to customer with all the refill kits and then the repairing kits, and then charge them little labors. That's it. If anyone interested or have a question about this HP Officejet printers, I'm more specialized in like HP Officejet printers only, like, you know, Officejet 8500, 8600, 8610, X20, 8710, 9010, Officejet 476, 576, mostly like, you know, printers they use for the home office. I'm more specialized on that. So if anyone have a question on these printers, text me 909-815-6681, 909-815-6681, or you can email me sales@proinkshop.com, sales@proinkshop.com, or purchasing the product is www.proinkshop.com, proinkshop.com. Thank you.